In this short tutorial, I am going to show you how to transfer USDT from SafePal wallet to Binance. It's simple and quick. So let's get started. First of all, open the Binance application on your device. Then tap on the wallet or asset option at the bottom right corner. Now tap on add fund and then select crypto or on-chain deposit. Now search for USDT and select it. Then choose your favorite network, for example BEP20. Then tap to copy the deposit address. Now go back and open your SafePal wallet. Then scroll down and tap on USDT BEP20 from your wallet. Now tap on the send option and then paste the copied Binance address. Now enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Then tap on next to confirm it. And that's it. Your USDT will be transferred from SafePal wallet to Binance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.